Today I'll be making garlic fried rice with umeboshi. Looking for an easy fried rice recipe? Try this quick and tasty rice dish, ready in just 15 minutes. Hi, I'm Juri, your guide to easy Japanese cooking here at Chef J Cooks. For today's recipe, you will need 2 umeboshi, 5 scallions, 1 clove of garlic, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 2 servings of cooked rice, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, salt and pepper to taste. Step 1. Remove the seeds from the umeboshi and mash them into a paste using a knife. Finely chop the scallions. Grate the garlic. Grab a copy of my new ebook from Japan with Flavor Vegetarian, featuring over 80 easy vegetarian dishes for everyday cooking. Go to shop.chefjcooks.com. Step 2. Heat vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the grated garlic and then the rice and stir fry until the rice is evenly coated with oil. Step 3. Add the chopped scallions and umeboshi paste to the pan and continue stir frying until everything is well combined. Step 4. Drizzle in the soy sauce. Stir well and season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve on your plate and enjoy this savory rice dish. The garlic and tangy pickled plums give it fantastic flavor. I hope you enjoy this quick and tasty garlic fried rice. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.